Today I'm going to show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. So let's begin the video. To begin with, simply just log into your Facebook account, and once you have logged into your account, then here you have to go to the post which you want to restrict or delete from showing you in the future. After that, click on the three dots at the top, and once you click on these three dots, that this menu will appear. Now you have to select the second option from the top, show less. Once you select this option, now you will not be able to see the posts like this in future. Another way is click on the profile icon, and here scroll down and go to the settings and privacy option at the bottom. Then here you have to again click on the settings option. After clicking on the settings option, here I am going to click on this meta menu. Then after that, I'm gonna click on the add preferences option at the bottom. Then at this page, I'm gonna click on the add settings option. Then here I clicked on the activity information from the add partners option at the top, and click on the review settings. After that, I will click on the second option, and once I click on it, I have to save this settings or confirm. After confirming this setting, now I have to again go to that settings. Now I'm gonna click on the add shown of meta option at the bottom. Then at this page, I'm going to disallow this option. You have to switch it off. Once all done, now you will not able to see suggested for you in your feeds. So this is how you can delete suggested for you on Facebook.